Welcome to Fredericksburg, a corner of Germany in the heart of Texas. Founded in 1846 by German settlers, the town has retained its unique European flavor. Main Street is lined with wine bars, antique stores, and stores where everyone can find something special. In Fredericksburg, the people lovingly preserve the memory of the traditions of their ancestors, who brought the spirit of European heritage here. Fredericksburg is home to a unique Catholic church, Chateau Fredericksburg. This place combines the grandeur of classic architecture with Texas flavor, creating an atmosphere of tranquility and spiritual traditions. Fredericksburg isn't just a small town in Texas. It's over 50 wineries, each with its own character and history. It has it all, from classic Cabernet Sauvignon varieties to bold local experiments. Wine in Fredericksburg tells stories better than words can tell them.
Einzutauchen werden niemals erwachen.
Welcome to Sauer Beckman Farm, part of the Lyndon B. Johnson Historical Park. Johnson. Here you will see how farmers lived and worked in the early 20th century. Fredericksburg is a town with German roots and the best craft beer. Visit Fredericksburg Brewing Company, the oldest pub in town, with a great beer selection and delicious food. Don't miss Altstadt Brewery, tastings, tours, and a cozy restaurant. The Oktoberfest in Fredericksburg is a lively celebration of the town's rich German heritage. Held every October, it features traditional Bavarian music, authentic German cuisine, craft beer, and fun activities for the whole family. It's a must-visit event that brings the heart of Germany to the Texas Hill Country. Wild Seed Farms is the largest wildflower farm in the United States. Texas lupines, poppies, and sunflowers bloom in the spring, and pumpkin fields and nature's bright colors in the fall. Don't forget to grab seeds and souvenirs from the store. Fredericksburg is a small town with a big heart. German coziness, Texas hospitality, and delicious wine. Which place would you visit first? Share in the comments.